So we're gonna talk a little bit more about my 10 points in riding, okay? All of you guys have had lessons with me enough. I'm just gonna go through them again. Number 1 is track. Number 2 is momentum. Number 3 is balance. And Otto asked me the other day, are they 1, 2, 3? You know, like first you do one. Those 3 are all of the same importance in my world, okay? So track, momentum, balance, straight line and circle. Anything and everything you're going to do on course is going to be comprised of pieces and parts of a straight line and circle and linking them together. So our job as riders is to ride a balanced turn, to ride a balanced straight line, and not lose that balance when we connect the two of them together. And obviously we have to do it both directions. Track, momentum, balance, straight line, turn, lateral and longitudinal. We talk about that all the time. Lateral is your legs and reins on both sides, on right side, left side. Lateral is what keeps your horse on the track. Longitudinal is what decides the length of the stride, okay? Am I asked to do a 10-foot stride, a 12-foot stride, a 14-foot stride? That's your longitudinal connection. So track, momentum, balance, straight line, turn, lateral, longitudinal. If I understand all of that correctly, that should put my horse in the box, okay? We've talked about the box before. That's literally your aids on the lateral side and the confinement from the leg to the hand, directing the horse onto the track that your eye sees, okay? So after that, there's only the 2 points left, and that is timing and feeling, okay? So the reason why I put them in that order is simply because when you go to the horse show, you have to do the course designer sets out, okay? First thing you do is walk out, look at the course, okay? Otto, you've done dressage tests and 3D eventing, okay? Enter at A, halt at X, okay? I mean, it's not a line, okay? It's enter at A, halt at X. Proceed in a working trot, track right, 20-meter circle at, you know, so it just goes on like that. The hunters, first fence, straight line, connect part of a turn, another part of a turn, cross the diagonal. They want to see you connect those fences on a straight line. Same thing in the jumpers. The more balanced your horse is, the straighter the lines are, the tidier and you can make the turns, the better your time is going to be, okay? And that, we all put that together with timing and feeling. And the timing and feeling, that is the, you know, on a scale of 1 to 10 we talk about, okay, do I need a 1 leg? Do I need a 2 leg? Do I need a 5 hand? Do I need a 6 hand, okay? That's your timing and feeling part in connection with the horse, okay? So what I want you to think about when we're working today is you have a straight line and you have a turning line, okay? So your eye is what sees the track. That is the only function your eye has, okay? Your eye has to look at the track and see the track. Your hand is connected to the horse's mouth. Your hand puts the bit perpendicular to the track, okay? Whether that is a straight line or a turn, okay? So then if this is my horse's bit, my horse's shoulder, my horse's haunches have to also be perpendicular, okay? Same thing going on a turn. If this is where the bit is, my horse's shoulder has to be perpendicular, my horse's haunches have to be perpendicular. So on the circle, obviously, it requires my horse to give me a bend. Bending through the rib cage, okay? So at the end of the day, the tip of the nose, the dock of the tail have to stay on the straight line, and the rib cage bends in between. We've talked about this before. Ribs number 1 through 8 are attached to the sternum. They can't bend. Ribs number 9 through 18 are the ones that are called the breathing ribs. Those are the ones that can bend. That's what you're sitting on, okay? So that's the part that we want the horse to do. So your eye finds the track, your hand puts the bit on the track, your leg tells the rest of the horse where to go, okay? So we're just gonna meditate on that for a minute. I want you to go out and just kind of start walking around, and I want you to really focus on that, okay?